All right, this is Riviera Paradise by Stevie Ray Vaughan. We're going to start out like this. This is detuned to half step, like a lot of Stevie Ray stuff. Okay, so that's our first beginning thing. We got 10th fret in the bottom 3 strings. We go to that 12, back to the little 10. So do the same thing on the 8th fret with the 10. Same thing on the 6. So all together you get. And you kind of rake across the strings, you know, and then you go. So this chord is 8 with the middle finger on the big string. And these go D string down, goes 7, 8, and 9. What you're going to do is you're going to hit that chord. You're muting the A and the little E, obviously. You're going to take the pinky out and you're going to bar this first finger down, so you end up with 8 and then 7, 8, 7. Okay, so it's big E, and then you're going to make this chord 7, 4, open, open, open. So 7 on the A, 4 in the D, and then open, open, open. So. And then come way back down here by the bridge and do one of those downward rakes. Okay, so the whole beginning is. Okay, then our next part's gonna go. Okay, so we have the little 6s. We're gonna go to the 8. So we went 6s to 8 to 11. And then 9, 7 to 10 on the second string. So it's. And if you hit that pinky there, you're ready for the chord. It's one of those raised 9 chords. So this is 9, 8, 9, 10. So we got. We're going to go to that kind of a similar thing where we got a bar that over here. We're going to the 8th fret of the second string right there. So it's. And that was 7 on the second, 9 on the G. Then we have a B6 chord there, big 7, nothing on the A, and then you got 6, 8, and 7. You can hold that and hit 3 more of those. You're going to come up to the same shape on the 10th fret, kind of like Lenny does. But you're going to go bass, and then the second string note, and then the chord in the middle there. So it's. Okay, and then we're going to have these chords here. We have 10, 9, 8, 7. And we pull the 8 out and bar those 7s. And then we pull out the other one and bar all the 7s. 10, 7, 7, 7. So 10, 9, 8, 7. 10, 9, 7, 7. 10, 7, 7, 7. And then we put in the 8 there in the G string. Okay, so that's. And then we come up with this chord here. We have big E bass and then 7s. And we're going to bar all the 7s, but we're going to have the 9th fret on the D string. Okay, so it's. And then we get into this. Okay, so we had that chord, and then you can hit like the E bass again. So hammer on, pull off on the second string, 7, 8, 7. 7 on the G, 9 here in the D. And we're gonna go back up that chord, major 7 chord. So 10, 9, 7, 7. So it's. Can hammer into that 5 there on the big string. And then we have nothing on the A, we have a 7, 6, 7 over here. And then we're gonna go. So 9 on the A, 7, 9, 7 on the D. So it's. Hold that. Do-da-dee-da. Big E chord again. Sometimes it'll hit that one first. Do, 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 do. So kind of go back and forth between the bass on that one. Taking it down 1 fret, and then we have this 8-7-5-5 major 7. And then do-dee-doom. So you kind of wait on that one. 3 with 5-4-3. You're gonna go 7 on the A string, 5 on the D string, and then in that chord. Do-dee-do-dee, down 1. Now we're to the 6-5-3-3. And then this one. This is an F sharp 13. So you got a 2 here on the E string, nothing on the A, then you got 2, 3, and 4. They're going to end with these. So this is a raised 9 to a flat 9. This is on the A string, 2-1, 2-3, to 2-1, 2-1. Get that bar going there in that first finger. So big E and then harmonics here in the D string, G, B. Wait a second. Hit the little E. Give it a little vibrato if you want. Okay, so let's go over what we had so far now. We got. Okay, then we'll do a little bit of this lead here we got. Okay, so we're going to pull off to that one, so. Okay, so. So you come down to that 3rd string, got the 14. So it went down to that lower one. And then you end with a. So. So this is one of those tricks where he gets a note going. He'll start with this E right here, and then he'll go onto the G string, and he'll do the little string and the 3rd string at the same time, like kind of a finger picking thing. You can do it with a pick too. Okay, so he's got do-dum 12s, and you can either go hammer that or kind of slide that in, going 14 to 15 on that with the little string. So come back down. Kind of has a strong 15 to 14 there. Next riff is. So I'm going to have this bit of this solo tabbed out for you. I'm just going to go ahead and play it for you. It's going to be. All right, a little bit of Riviera Paradise, Stevie Ray Vaughan. Tabs with this. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all later.